On behalf of FlightSafety International, I'd like to demonstrate the work accomplished during the Interoperable Simulation and Gaming Sprint Year 2. Our work consisted of investigating the use of the glTF model format to encode 3D models in a CDB. We worked with several glTF extensions to allow us to encode CDB model features into glTF. One area of work involved encoding non-visual reflective textures for a 3D model. Our approach used the material variance extension, which allows swapping textures on a model with ease. For this demonstration, we'll use this adapted version of the Don McCurdy glTF viewer. This will allow us to view this simple tree model as it would appear through different types of sensors. We'll click the Material Variance drop-down menu and see all the material variants included in the model. By selecting the Near IR variant, all relevant textures will quickly change to show how the model should appear before the IR sensor. Click the drop-down again, and we can view the out-the-window winter version of this tree as well. Material variants are very flexible and can work with all sorts of variations, including seasonal and quarterly imagery, multispectral imagery, and paint schemes. The feature metadata extension allows models to encode additional data in their textures. We'll use the open source feature metadata implementation provided by Cesium.js to show an example of the extension's usage. This building model has data about its materials encoded in one of its textures. Descriptors for these materials are listed within the model's feature metadata extension. By clicking around on the model, we can see that the black rectangles are meant to be wooden doors, the gray surfaces are described as exterior brick walls, and the white rectangles will become glass windows. This metadata can be added to a model through an external process based on its original appearance. Back in the Don McCurdy viewer, let's view the same model's original material. From this model, the metadata textures and extension data are generated. These can then be used to render the model as it would appear before other sensors such as thermal infrared and radar. Support for loading glTF models and extensions is also being tested for FlightSafety's Vital 1150 image generator. Here we can see a glTF model of the Discovery Space Shuttle loaded as a component in a much larger airport scene. This opens doors for the glTF format to act as part of vital training environments in a variety of lighting scenarios.